In our previous video, we can see in this Python program, we've created a database successfully, and now we are going to create a table inside the database stddb, and we are going to insert some data inside the table. So in MySQL, we can see we have created the database stddb. So we have created the database stddb. Now we have to create the table. So let's create the table using the mycursor.execute function. So we can delete this db successfully created. So here we will create a table. Now we'll write the function mycursor.execute, and we can write the query to create the table. So first, before creating the table, we will write a drop query if we have any existing table inside the database. So for that, we'll write drop table if exist. So we'll give a suitable name for the table. So we'll give the name as student. So we'll use the small letter for this. So student is the name of the table which we are going to create. So next execute function, we will write the query to create the table student. So here we will write the create query. So we'll write create table student. So here we will give three column names. So the first column name is name, and name will be a worker type, and let's say it has size of 30. Then the next is age, and age will be a data type of integer value, and it will take maximum 2. Again, the next column will be gender. So gender will take the data type character, and it will take one size. So this is the query to create the table. We are going to write a print statement in order to give a message table has been successfully created. So now let's run this program. So here we can see table has been successfully created, output has come. Now we'll check if the table has been created in our database or not. So for that, let's go to the MySQL, and here we'll write use std underscore db. So this is the name of our database. Here we'll see if we have any table inside the database or not. So we'll write show tables. So this is the query to show the available tables in our database stddb. So here we can see we have successfully created a table student. Now we can also check different column name and its data type inside the table. So let's write the query as describe student. This will show us all the column name and its data type. So here we can see after writing the describe student, we get the field name as first name, which is a data type of worker, and its size is 30. Next one is age, is the next field is age, and it is the integer data type of size 2. The third one is gender, and its data type is character with size of 1. So we have successfully created the table using with the help of our Python programs. Next, we are going to insert the data inside the table. So for that, we will write the execute function. So here we'll write. So let's write my cursor dot execute, and here we'll write the query to insert data inside the table. So we'll write the query insert into the name of the table, which is student, and here we'll write the field names. The first field name is name, and the second one is age, and the third one is gender. Then we'll write its value. So we'll write values, and we'll give the value for its field name. So for the first field name, which is name, we will write ABC. So this is a name, so we have written this in a string, so we have given the quotation mark here. So next is the age, so this is a number, so we don't have to give the quotation marks, so we'll give, so let's say 30 is the age, and the third field will give the value as male, so we'll write M since we have the size as 1 here. So after writing the query to insert the data inside the table student, we will write a commit statement. So we'll write con.commit. So this con is the variable which contain the connection, and this commit is used whenever there is any changes in the table. So we have inserted some data inside the table, that's why we have written the commit function. So here we will write a print statement. So we write data inserted into the table. So let's run this program. So we have got the output data inserted inside into the table. So let's check it. For checking if we have data inside the table or not, so we'll write the query select star from table. So the table name is student. So we'll write select star from student. And here we can see we have the value which we have inserted through our query, which is ABC 30 and M. So here we have name as ABC, age is 30 and gender as M. So we have successfully created the table and we have inserted the data inside the table